Well, one thing is that if he or she is determined to get a job in software domain, they should trust AccuJob. They should join AccuJob. The teachers in AccuJob are very, very good. Like, I didn't know anything. Like, before joining AccuJob, I didn't have any knowledge. So after joining AccuJob, I learned many things like DSA, Spring Boot, front end also. So if I can do it, they can also do it. I want to tell them that they should work hard on their dreams and never lose their hope of getting a job in this software domain.
So, hi Ronak, welcome. So, first of all, congratulations on the offer. And how are you feeling about it? So, give our audience a little introduction about yourself and the offer that you have gotten, and like how you're feeling about it.
Feels good to get a job in software domain. Even though I was from non-computer science background, but still I wanted to get a job in this domain only. I was like wondering for 1.5 years. Like after my graduation, I was trying for many off-campus drive, but my resume was not getting shortlisted. But somehow I got to know about AccuJob over the internet only. Before joining AccuJob, researched about it a lot. Like, I read all the reviews on the internet as well as on the YouTube also. There is a dedicated YouTube channel of AccuJob where they post the videos of all the students that got placed. So I
गो वहाँ से मतलब IQ के बारे में पता चला और वहाँ से आपने इंस्पिरेशन की मतलब
Yeah.
you can also get the job about
yes,
it.
yes.
So ऐसी क्या मतलब what were the challenges जो आप फेस कर रहे थे? Basically, of course, अब बैकग्राउंड वो नहीं था, but there would be anything else जो जिसमें IQ ने आपकी मदद करी कि to get this job.
During my college days, I was not at all eligible to apply in some of the companies due to certain criteria like percentage or some other criteria. And also in some of the companies in which I applied for, I didn't get shortlisted because I didn't have that much knowledge in this domain. Like, I only knew the syntax of Java, nothing more than that. So maybe due to that, I was not getting shortlisted. Then I was like, after graduation, I for almost 1.5 years, I applied for many off-campus job opportunities, but my resume never got shortlisted. Then I came to about AccuJob. Then joining AccuJob has been one of my best.
तो फिर वहाँ से it helped you out. So I just wanted to know कि ऐसा मतलब देखो ये वीडियोस बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स देखते हैं, someone who is just starting out or someone who has given up hope and all कि अब तो मतलब लगता नहीं है कि जॉब लग सकती है. So there are multiple students. So what is one advice that you would give to them कि मतलब for example this is something that you should prepare or this is something that you should keep in mind?
Well, one thing is that if he or she is determined to get a job in software domain, they should trust AccuJob. They should join AccuJob. The teachers in AccuJob are very, very good. Like, I didn't know anything. Like, before joining AccuJob, I didn't have any knowledge. So after joining AccuJob, I learned many things like DSA, Spring Boot, front end also. So if I can do it, they can also do it. I want to tell them that they should work hard on their dreams and never lose their hope of getting a job in software domain.
ठीक है. सो अभी आपने मेंशन करा कि आपको मतलब एक्यो से आने से पहले यू हैड वेरी लिटिल नॉलेज अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट्स एटसेट्रा एंड टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स. सो व्हाट वाज पर्टिकुलरली द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग विद एक्यो बिकॉज देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट्स दैट आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग इन द सेम डोमेन. तो यू मस्ट हैव रिसर्च ऑल्सो कि कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट्स अवेलेबल हैं, क्या वो देते हैं मतलब इन टर्म्स ऑफ द स्टडीज एंड जॉब प्लेसमेंट एंड व्हाट एक्यू इज गिविंग and what has been your like favorite part of training with active?
Like, everything regarding AccuJob has been my favorite, like from teaching point of view to job assistance. Also, one thing is that AccuJob will never abandon their students. Like, but students they have to be sincere, they have to work hard, otherwise AccuJob also cannot help those students.
Of course मतलब it goes both ways. So अभी आपकी like you just got the offer and did you discuss it with your parents? your family.
Yes.
So what
they are
was
very-
that reaction to it?
Like they were very happy. Like they saw me struggling for many years, even after joining Aki job. Like after I finished my courses, initially my resume was not getting shortlisted or I was getting rejected in interviews, but I didn't lose hope. I was engaged. I was keeping the engagement with placement cell, the Aki job. They told me to not lose hope. There will be more job opportunities in the future. I kept working hard, and then finally I got the reward after.
Well, I mean, that is truly very inspiring story. Personally, मतलब मेरे को भी बहुत ऐसा it feels very good to know कि you tried so hard and now you have it. So I'm just going to ask you 2 quick questions and then we'll wrap up the interview. So what is one message that you would like to share with the audience that are listening to you? So like, what is one message that you would like to say?
Well, one message that they should never lose hope. They should always work hard on their dreams. Work hard on their dreams. They should never lose hope. And if they are, I also wanted to tell them that they should trust AccuJob thoroughly, and also they also need to work hard from their side. Otherwise,
Of course. मतलब with Actio also we tell the students कि आपको मतलब if you are willing and if you are motivational enough, we are always here, and I think you as a student testify for that. Also, the next quick question that I wanted to ask was कि what would be the one emoji that you would like to give to Actio job?
one emoji, like everything. One emoji, everything regarding AccuJob cannot be summarized in one emoji only. But hope.
And what would be the emoji that you would give when you saw the positive response on the application when you got the offer?
What to say, like inspirational or
I think with the emoji of like heart eyes when you are like youth, something that I wanted, that would be that you can choose.
celebration or inspirational, everything. Celebration,
Yeah.
inspirational, happy moment.
So Ronak, it was very great talking to you, and I think you shared your great responses as well, and I'm genuinely very happy, and I'm very glad that I could be part of the journey with this interview.